we stop?
We already done this question. Done this yeah.
So we are on page 36, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's continue our lesson. So please, if you have your book, or if you don't have, that's fine. Just look at my screen. So we are now on page 36. So we are,
Yeah.
let's have the unit 6. Okay, so we have the word list. We're not yet done with this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you please read our new words? So let's start with advantage.